Hey guys and girls, thumbs up from me as usual. God bless you all. Welcome to my channel, The Real Love Festival Survival Channel. And in today's video, I'll be walking CJ through the park and see what we can find, see what we can see. Perhaps we might see a couple of helicopters flying overhead. Watch out, we might see Trump's helicopter, Marine One. We might even see a couple of Chinooks. So stick around on my little adventure with CJ. See you in a sec, guys. Say hello. Come on, CJ. Come on, get your ball. Good boy, CJ. We're in Regents Park again. Something like the 5th. Is it the 5th today of June? And CJ's in the park with his friend.
Halloumi.
Halloumi, cheese. Nice bit of halloumi. Come on, CJ. Halloumi, of course, is from Cyprus. So do you know that's cheese, yeah?
Halloumi cheese is the name just from Cyprus.
That's right.
But the dog is a German mountain dog called Hoverwood.
Hoverwood?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was a Labrador.
Oh. It's too big for Labrador.
Well, I've seen Labradors that big.
No. You can see from front that it's a mountain dog.
Wow.
He used to guard the castles.
Wow.
Hey. So you need to pick up his ball.
Okay, thank you for that. So yeah, in a few days time CJ will be 7 months. He's doing really well. I'm behind with the training, so my toe's not properly healed yet. I've still got a bruised ribs, but what can I do? I can't vegetate in my flat, so I've decided the last couple of days to come back out in the park. Hello CJ, you met another friend. Good morning. Maybe you can hear the chopper overhead, and I see let's get a closer view at this chopper, because it could be Marine One, one of Trump's choppers. Here's another chopper coming in. Maybe this is a that might be one of Trump's. That looks like Marine One as well. Oh, where's it gone? Oh, there we go. CJ. Hey, hello, hello, awesome. Good morning. How you doing? Hello, boys. Hello, puppies.
How are you doing?
I'm very well, thanks. Yourself?
Yeah, good.
How?
What's your dog's name again? Sorry.
CJ.
CJ.
Ah, look at that. You know, I was just. I'm filming, by the way. So, well, I was just getting Trump's Marine One.
Oh, right.
But I think it's Marine One. It looks like it. It's got United States of America on there, and but I haven't seen his funny-looking helicopters this time round. You know, the ones with the two propellers.
They were
Chinooks,
here
they were here
yesterday.
yesterday.
No, not the Chinooks. There's like, instead of being sort of like
Oh, is it the black ones?
well, he had a special forces one, the black one,
Yeah.
following these two, but they also had the ones with the kind of wings, with helicopter.
I know what you mean, the last time he came.
Yes,
Yeah.
and he had the SEAL team with him.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
So whether he's using the Chinooks this time, the C-130, no, not the C-130, that's a gunship. But okay, let me stop filming. So here we go. CJ's met his gang again. So, oh well. What happened to his? Oh, sorry, Cookie. Here we go.
Oh, well.
Is it? May I? By the way, is that okay?
Oh, yeah. Harry's
I was like a pee-pee.
CJ, your friends. Oh, this is great because I've not been out for 2 months. I had a broken toe. So there we have it in the park.
Come on, Gav.
The 5th of June, yes, today.
It is.
5th of June. And there's some of CJ's friends. He's basically long-time friends.
CJ.
Tula and Harry and Cookie and Orwell. And that's Cara running.
Oh, that's Cara running.
Oh, gas. There must be the helicopter. Yeah.
There's also a few smaller helicopters. I guess they're the police. So, CJ's coming up to 7 months old. We're in Regents Park. Bit of excitement. Trump's helicopters. And actually, where you can see that minaret is roughly where the chopper landed. There's also smaller choppers hovering around. Bit of excitement for the day. I didn't really expect to be filming Trump's helicopters. CJ's excited. He just saw his friends. But yeah, CJ's doing really well. Catching up with our training, our lead walking, and obedience, socialising. He's catching up really well. And again, we see more choppers up there. CJ's saying, what's all the fuss about? Come on, CJ, let's carry on. So, a bit of excitement for the day. Fine day today in Regents Park, London. So, another chopper just up there. See if I can get it in focus for you. I did see a couple of Chinooks the other day. Actually, it was 3 Chinooks. So yeah, I try not to shake around so much. So onwards with our walk with CJ. Come on, boy, good lad. So this is my one of our regular paths. Remember the birch trees, silver birch? You can see it's pretty overgrown in here. CJ's really having a lot of fun today. It's a bit hot actually, so soon we're going to be heading off back home. But yeah, this is one of our regular pathways. You can see the silver birch trees where we collect some tinder. I'm not going to get any today, I've got plenty at home, but as you can see there's plenty ready up there to grab if I wanted to. Loads. I'm just here today getting back into the training with CJ, doing a bit of training myself, getting out and about. So there we have it, just gone through our regular path, coming to the other side. And you can probably still hear the helicopters overhead. Trump keeping the police busy. So now we're going to head up this way, me and CJ. Well, I can't seem to shake the noise of the helicopters. They seem to be very busy because somewhere in Regents Park is Trump, probably in the house for embassy staff, for the president's visits and important people. But I'm just going to carry on with my walk through the park and carrying on with CJ's socialising and training. At least we can hear the birds, at least the sun is shining. CJ's having a fun time, he's trying to wonder what that is over there. Ah, it looks lovely. So let's go. Actually, whenever I see some wood like this in the park, I get quite tempted to actually pick some up. And there's certainly a lot of firewood here. CJ's investigating. Is that good enough for firewood, CJ? Yep. So as you can see, CJ's grown quite a bit, around about 28, over 28 kilos now already, and on the 11th of June he will be 7 months old, and actually he's doing very well today. Seems like he's remembered a lot of the training from the last times we was in the park, and he's doing very well. Can't shake those helicopter noises. But I've seen this wood as well, coming back to this wood, and maybe I'm going to take some, but if I was in a wilderness situation, this would certainly do me for firewood. I could probably use the bigger pieces for making furniture, chairs, benches, tables, etc. And certainly some of the smaller pieces I can use for firewood. Actually, that's a really nice piece right there. I wish I could take that. If I had a vehicle, I would most definitely take that piece right there, and a couple of other bits. But yeah, CJ's having great fun, met all his old friends, and getting back into the swing of things, of course, because in the house he was becoming a bit anxious, and but you know, we're coming back on form. He's getting there, he's doing really well. Enjoying his walk in the park. I do believe Marine One just passed overhead, and that does sound like a Chinook to me. Now, let me see. That sounds like a... That sounds like a Chinook. Yes, I was right. I saw them the other day actually, 3 of them, and I was wondering where they were today. So there we have it, I just captured them. Well, anyway, 2. And what a exciting day we've had today, CJ. There should be a 3rd one actually. I saw 3 the other day. CJ's like, what's the big fuss? CJ's a good boy, look at that. CJ, good boy, sit. Good lad. He wants a drink. I'll give you a drink in a second, CJ, good boy. So there we have it, guys. We've seen Marine One. We've seen CJ's friends. What a busy, exciting day we've had today in London, Regents Park. We saw the Chinooks, 2 of them. We saw Marine One. And we've seen quite a lot of things today. Mushrooms. A lot of scenery. Excitement for the day. CJ's a good boy. I'm getting exercise as well. And now we're going to head off up this path towards home. But yeah, what a fantastic day. There you go. I brought my camera because I thought yesterday, why didn't I bring my camera? I could catch some footage. And you know, training the dog, training myself, and got some fantastic footage today. Okay, now I'm hearing movement again. Perhaps the Chinooks are taking off. Okay, well I'll wait a little while here. No, I don't think they're taking off again. But yeah, let's head on up the path. Maybe we'll see them on the way back. Hello, Billy. Billy, did you say?
Yeah.
Hello, Billy. He's a lovely dog. What is that breed again? I've got a friend who's got one of those.
Schnauzers.
Schnauzer. It's the small schnauzer. And there's the giant ones.
Really, don't get jealous.
Oh, that's all right. I mean, it's good for him to learn, because as a puppy, he can be a little bit sort of cheeky, and then coming in here, got some lovely people, lovely dogs, and he's learning. You know.
Well, they all do. He learns in here.
Yeah. All my dogs have learned in here. Well, except for my first Labrador.
Billy.
Good boy, Billy. You tell him. Hello, Billy. Hello. Hello, Billy.
He can get a bit. If some of you know, he's a bit possessive.
Oh, he's
And
a
you're
good boy.
possessive, quite rightly.
Well, yeah, he's looking after Mum. Good boy, Billy. Well, thank you for that.
No, come on.
Bit of excitement with the choppers, huh? Hey?
Well, just adds to the sound effect of the park.
It does, doesn't it? Well, we walk to the park. He gets a chopper.
Well, the other day he left Gatwick and he got here quicker than we got here.
Wow. So he came to Gatwick. He doesn't go Heathrow.
Well, I don't know wherever he flew into.
Right.
I don't know where it was. Maybe it was.
Here we go. I think they're coming back again.
Oh.
I'll see you later.
See you. Come on then.
Take care. So yeah, I'm just gonna try and get through this path, and CJ's made another friend there, Billy the Schnauzer. It's good to socialise your dog, guys, from young. It's good for the training, you know. It's good for me to get out and about and walk, getting back into my training. I put on a few kilos actually, and you know, I've never been overweight in my life. It's the first time in my life I've been overweight. I've always trained weights, stretching. As a youngster, I was a footballer, I was a rugby player, cricket player, table tennis, swimming. You know, I was an athlete, still am. So getting back into your training is very important. And I'm just going to get through this path and get to that clearing over there. I can actually hear another Chinooks, but there's no way I think I'll be able to see that Chinooks from here. Yeah, no way. That's definitely. Oh. Woo! There we go. Now, I didn't expect that, but that's the good thing. I'm going to start carrying my camera with me every day now, I think. So I didn't expect to see the third one. I knew there was a third Chinook somewhere, and actually I was coming through this clearing just to see if I could see the others coming back, and I saw the third one, so that was good. There's a lot of security for Trump. So yeah, get yourself fit, guys. And I'm not saying it's a bad thing if crap hits the fan and you're overweight, because at least you've got some fat to burn up. It's not a bad thing. In fact, it could be a good idea to get a little bit overweight. Not saying overweight and unfit, but overweight and fit. At least you can burn it up, burn it off. You know, so yeah, come on CJ, good lad, he's doing fantastic today, made some new friends, saw some of his older friends, and a bit of excitement today with the, oh look at this dog. Oh, this is a regular dog we see in here a lot of times, as CJ's met him before. Hello CJ, is that one of your friends? Yep, we've seen this lad, handsome dog, many times. Good morning, madam.
Morning.
So yeah, come on CJ, good lad. Fantastic day, fantastic morning, beautiful day. And we're going to head off home now through this. Actually, I'm going to go through the pathway through the trees here. So yeah, get fit, get training, exercise. You know, if you do have a dog, socialise your dog, but also, you know, there are some yeses and nos as well, which I'll be talking about in other videos. Teaching the dog boundaries, who to trust, who not to trust, you know, who can give him food, who can't give him food, and stuff like that. So I'll be making more videos on that subject. There's a guy called German Shepherd Man, actually just done a video about, you know, should you allow other people to give your dog food. Well, if I give people treats, I don't let them give him food from their pockets. Hello, can you hear that bird up there? I don't allow people to give treats from their pockets. I always give people treats from my pockets. And allow them to feed my dog. But remember to put the treat in a hand and below the dog, you know. You don't want, I'll show you what I mean. I've got some treats in my pocket. Hello CJ, come on boy. Okay, just bear with me a second. Here we got a treat. So CJ, sit. Good lad. So you give it to them and you tell people to just put it like this. You don't want to put your face in like that towards your dog, okay, because you don't know what's in the hand. And yeah guys, so yeah, get fit, get training, makes sense. Go and check your surroundings, see what you can, you know, find, get to know your area. But it's important to get fit, you know, I can't stress that enough. Here we go, CJ's looking fantastic, enjoying every moment of today. So, bit of excitement, at least we can't hear those choppers anymore. Okay, so there we have it guys and girls. Me and CJ went on our little adventure. We walked a few miles around the park today, doing a bit of training, doing a bit of exercising, getting CJ socialised, and we did have some excitement today. We saw Marine One, and you know, we saw some Chinooks. Bit of excitement, like I said. We took some pictures, we met some dogs, socialised CJ, and we had a fantastic time. So thanks guys for watching. Hopefully I'll be putting up some more kit videos soon, so watch this space. I'm going to be doing the med kit probably tomorrow, and maybe do a little walk around with Sam and CJ in the park. So watch this space guys and girls. More kit videos coming, and more adventures of Sam, CJ, and hopefully we're going to get Ikesy out with us as well. So stick around guys and girls. Take care. Thumbs up guys.